How to check list containing not a number. In my for loop, my code generates a list like this one. The loop generates all sort of other number vectors, but it also generates NaN, and to avoid it I tried to put in a conditional to prevent it like the one below, but it doesn't return true. Shouldn't it return true? Libraries I've loaded.
I think this makes sense because of your pulling NumPy into scope indirectly via the star import. When you did, it pulled in NumPy.sum. You can test that this NaN object, NaN isn't unique in general, is in a list via identity, but if you try it in an array it seems to test via equality, and NaN not equal NaN. You could use np.isNaN.
You should use the math module.
Maybe this is what you are looking for.
如果不寂寞，please consider subscribing.